Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make pancakes without flour. Start by blending 2 ripe bananas, 2 eggs, 1/2 cup almond meal, and 1 TSB baking powder until smooth, then let the batter rest 5 minutes. Heat a non-stick pan to medium, oil lightly, and pour small 3-inch rounds. Cook until edges set and flip once, aiming for golden brown color and tender inside, then serve warm with toppings you enjoy. Use simple swaps to match taste and allergies while keeping texture consistent. If you prefer oat flour, grind rolled oats to make 1/2 cup and use the same ratio. For dairy, use unsweetened almond milk to thin batter a little if needed, but avoid making it runny. Gentle folding of mix-ins prevents deflating the batter, so add berries or nuts last and cook on medium heat for best results. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so we can keep making useful recipes. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, which adds voice control and smart mapping so you spend less time sweeping crumbs and more time flipping pancakes. It's a nice kitchen sidekick, and it actually chases down those stray toppings. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Control heat and timing to avoid gummy centers and burned out sides. A well-heated non-stick pan lets you cook 3-inch pancakes that flip easily after about 2 to 3 minutes per side. If you find pancakes too dense, thin batter with 1 to 2 tablespoon milk and whisk briefly. Serve immediately or keep warm at low oven temperature, and experiment with toppings to find your favorite combination.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.